Hello friends, hope you all are doing great and are staying safe. In this video, we'll be seeing the recipe for chicken biryani, which I'm sure is one of everyone's favorite. So let's quickly go ahead and check out what are the ingredients required. I have taken here about 500 grams of chicken, which I've washed thoroughly. Let's go ahead and start marinating it, adding in 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, 1 teaspoon of chili powder, quarter teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of zira powder or cumin powder, 1 teaspoon of dhania powder or coriander powder, and salt as per taste. Here I'm adding in 2 tablespoons of Biryani Masala. Please use a good brand Biryani Masala. And then I'm adding in 2 heaped tablespoons of thick curd. Now give all this a good mix and then cover it and allow it to rest in the refrigerator overnight or at least for 1 hour. Next, let's see what are the ingredients required for making the chicken biryani. Here I have washed and soaked 3 cups of basmati rice for about half hour. It's very important to soak the rice at least for half hour. Only then will the grains become long and fluffy on cooking. Here I have thinly sliced 3 large onions. These onions have to be fried. So into a pan, adding in about 7 to 8 tablespoons of oil. Once the oil is hot, let's go ahead and add in the onions. We'll have to fry these onions until they turn crisp and golden brown. Once done, let's drain them on a kitchen towel and reserve it for later use. Here I have taken plain water in a pot. Now let's add in all the whole spices into the water. And once the water boils, add in the required quantity of salt. And then add in the soaked rice. Now cook on medium-high flame till the rice is 3/4 cooked. The rice must be grainy and you must get a bite into it, meaning it has to be slightly undercooked. Once done, drain and reserve the rice. Now into the same pot, add in about 4 tablespoons of oil and then add in the marinated chicken. Into it, let's add in half the quantity of fried onions and then add in about 3 or 4 slit green chilies. Next, add in some freshly chopped coriander and mint leaves. Now give all this a good mix and cook it until the raw smell from the chicken goes away. Now is the time to assemble. Sprinkle some coriander and mint over the chicken and then layer the chicken with cooked rice. Next, top it with some fried onions and then sprinkle the freshly chopped coriander and mint. Here I have mixed edible yellow color in quarter cup of milk. If you have saffron, great, you may mix saffron in quarter cup of milk and use the same. So adding that over the rice just to give the rice color. Now we'll have to repeat the same process. Let's add the final layer of rice, top it with some fried onions and then the food color and then the chopped coriander and mint. Now cover it. Generally there is a hole for the steam to escape on the lid of such pots. What I do is I seal this lid with an aluminium foil so as to lock the aroma of the biryani. Next, I place this pot on the smallest burner in my cooking range and I simmer it for about 25 to 30 minutes. Now this step is completely optional. I fry a handful of cashew nuts and dry grapes in desi ghee and I add this over the biryani once it's done. But please try this, my friends. Trust me, it tastes heavenly. So friends, our aromatic, delicious biryani is ready to be served and enjoyed with family. So friends, I hope you enjoyed watching this video as much as I enjoyed making it for you. So if you did, please do give a thumbs up. And if you're new to my channel, I'm very glad to have you here. Please do not leave without hitting on that subscribe button and the bell icon beside it to stay updated of all the new videos which I post here. Until I see you all the next time, eat healthy, eat homemade, and most importantly, stay positive. Take care. Bye-bye.